Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Coursera application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application provides you a variety of different online courses in many topics like business, computer science, arts and humanities, and so on. So at the Explore section of the application, you will find all the available courses and everything that you need to know about them will be there. The use of the application is very simple. You have the Explore page, you have the search bar where you can search for different topics or courses that interests you. At the Learn section, if you have any courses, you will be enrolled in them here, and you will be able to see them. And of course, at the profile page, you have all the settings and personal information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.